and if they're fortunate enough to have access to information, information is probably now after basic water and food. It is probably one of the most important things you can have for kids, because they need to be able to visualize a living world.
Most people, especially local tourists, show very little interest in learning about marine life during boat tours, according to some boat operators. This, they say, is worrisome.
We want to educate Namibians about what we have to offer, the wildlife and the environment itself. So we don't want to take that away, but we do, however, want to separate the two, that we keep the booze cruises one side and that we also bring in the families. Very important. We also want the Namibian children to learn about this.
In the past, boat cruises were about going out on the water and discovering new things. That is no longer the case, as most tourists now take it as a booze cruise.
There was a perception of the boat cruise that was changed completely, and it looked like the industry was moving into a booze cruise situation where it was just alcohol, selfies and a boat, which was fine, but we would like to move back to the original cruise where it's informative and you learn about stuff. And the nice thing about the cruises is every time you come, you learn something different.
Although the boat cruise business did well, especially during the festive season, some operators remain unimpressed at the way local tourists behave on cruises. They say the purpose of the water tours is to teach people about the ocean.